two-stage solid-fuel rocket.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Vehicle Assembly Building. Today, we will be building a two-stage solid fuel rocket. Our mission parameters are very simple. Unmanned, and must have parachute. Kurt, you want to go ahead and explain a bit more about Abe?
Sure. So Abe is a proprietary data processing server running a 23-step standard physics algorithm. We have to input parts and where to put them in relation to the control module, but Abe does all the final deciding on their exact location. For this build, we had to implement staging preference. We didn't want Abe to put landing legs on first stage. Okay, that does it for the building process. Rex?
It is time to get this rocket out to the pad.
Push, 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 push.
I'm booting up Oda now. Alright, with Oda in position, it is now time for our go, no-go, pre-launch checklist. Cannon, are you there?
Yes sir, we're ready for pre-launch.
Flight. Go. GPO. Go. GNC. Go. Kato. Go. DPS.
DPS is go.
Booster. Go. Inco.
Also go.
Eagle. Go. VTE.
VT is go.
And we are green across the board. Handing over flight controls now.
Confirming launch has the ball. Flight path upload complete. Activating the nav computer now. Gimbal checks complete. Passing the ball to onboard nav computer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff of the two-stage solid fuel rocket to space with hopeful safe return. We are having some problems with Oda. Waving off. Switching to onboard camera. Stage separation nominal. Stage 2 active.
Did you know? In 1903, Russian high school mathematics teacher Konstantin Tsiolkovsky published The Exploration of Cosmic Space by Means of Reaction Devices, the first serious scientific work on space travel. He also advocated the use of liquid hydrogen and oxygen as fuel, calculating their maximum exhaust velocity. Subsequently, the ideal rocket equation was named after him. Calculating delta V, or maximum potential change in velocity using the ideal rocket equation, is done by taking the force of gravity. In this respect, Kerbal and Earth are very similar, 9.81 meters per second, and multiplying it by the average of the specific impulse, or ISP, of all engines used. This number represents the thrust with respect to the amount of propellant used per unit of time, and is known as VE, the effective exhaust velocity. Then, using the natural logarithm on the rocket's mass with fuel divided by its mass without, you will return the total amount of velocity you can change in meters per second or feet per second respectively if the rocket is experiencing 0 Gs and is not resisted by an atmosphere. Robert Goddard in 1912 began a detailed analysis of rockets, concluding that solid rockets' fuel should be burnt in a small combustion chamber rather than its container, and the exhaust speed should be greatly increased to beyond the speed of sound. He also developed the mathematics of rocket flight and proved rockets would work in a vacuum, which many scientists did not believe at the time.
We have successful chute deployment. Chute is fully open. Extending landing legs now.
And we have safely landed. It appears we are having some technical difficulties with our telemetry acquisition system. We will have to get that fixed before the next mission. Thank you for joining us, and y'all have a pleasant day.